What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your host, Mr. LSC, back with another one. Today we've got the FSC out. And so I wanted to see what velocities I can get at maximum turn. And what I got for maximum turn, sorry about the mic, what I got for maximum turn was 8. So while the marker was still together and everything, got the screw, backed it out all the way. Then I went in as much as I can until it stopped. I'm sure it could have gone some more, but I did not want to push that spring past its limit. So we're at 8 turns. We're going to be doing Grimburg HP68. What's that? 6.1 grams. 6 shots. Let's shoot them out and see what FPSs we got. Okay, we're still rocking everything stock. We got the red spring in here. We got the 8 gram CO2 still. Let's get you turned around to the trap. All right. So like I said, we got 8 turns in. 8 gram CO2. Grimburg HP68 at 6.1 grams. Oh no. Didn't get my twist fast enough. Okay. We're set and ready to go. Let me adjust this because I know I shoot it, it's going to fall over. There we go. All right. Let's see what we get. .246. That's not right. That can't be right. Well, maybe that is right. That is right. I'm sorry. That's right. I'm thinking about HDP 50. .270. Okay. .248. .258. Back up. Now I know last time we tested, we ended up at 14 joules. Let's see what improvements we get here. .244. Last shot. .220. Now last time we shot, we got a dead trigger. We didn't get one this time. So hopefully we don't see any more of that. So, all right. You know the procedure. We'll be back with the numbers. Okay, so our last test with the same ammo, same 8 gram CO2, we ended up with 14 joules. If you want, just go back, check that last video. Here we have our numbers here. Our highest count being 270 on our second shot. Our first shot being 246, second shot being 270. I think our highest shot last time, I'm looking here, was 238. So a total of 1468 divided by 6 to get the average. You know how we do the math. Okay, we get 247.6 feet per second. So we round up to the 248 feet per second, which gives us 17.34 joules. 17.34 joules. So 17 joules. There we have it. All right. That's it. Let's see what we got next for the FSC. It's your host, Mr. LLC, telling you something is better than nothing. Keep you and her safe at all times. God bless and peace. See y'all next time.